Everyone, I'm Savanan. I have been working in software industry for last 6 years. 3 years I worked in India, then I moved to Australia for an on-site opportunity. I'm in Australia for last 3 years. I have been trading for last 1.5 years actually. Even I started post-COVID. So the start of my trading career is like I have started with strategies like iron fly and I encounter those kind of strategy I have started. Initial phases, like everything was very good for me, but I think I've started in 2021 Jan. From 2021 Jan to 2021 Jan, November, everything fine. I was able to close all the months in green, but due to some issues in the December month, there were continuous gap downs due to the Omicron news, which was happened on the Fridays. Usually I take position on every expiry day close. I mean like Thursday. So what was happened is like I was holding some iron fly position, which is having a far edges. So continuously three expiry, I got stuck with that downfall, which was happening in December, where it was continuously three expiry, where 3% fall was happening in Bank Nifty, 3 to 4%. So that was the time which I completely got stuck with drawdowns. So that was the time where I was badly. Even that was the time when I added a huge capital, because the first 6 months I was trading with a capital of around 15 to 20 lakhs. I was very successful with that. Then I scaled my capital to, I think it was around 30 lakhs, I think. So I was holding some huge position. It was my bad time. I was in first, I think in 10 months, I was able to generate around 45 percentage return, I think 8 months, but I have gave back 20 percentage return in that fall. So that was the biggest drawdown which I faced. So after that, what I thought is the positional trading is kind of risky for me in this situation. So even I was more interested to move to intraday, but due to the time constraints, I did not move to intraday. So what I realized is I already tried 1 year a positional trading. So I thought 2022, I should try a intraday and see the performance, because in positional trading, I was able to close the year in green. Then I moved to the intraday trading, where I started with selling a short straddle. So every day I used to sell a short straddle from Jan 1st till day I was doing it. So in Jan month, due to like a big move, which from Jan I was trading in the Nifty. Earlier the positional trading which I was mentioned, it was completely in the bank Nifty, but from Jan I was started trading in the Nifty. So where what I was doing is I was trying to sell a short straddle every day at the open. When I sell the short straddle is once the market open, immediately I will sell. It might be like within 20 seconds or 30 seconds, I don't know, like I will just sell it on the spot. I will find the at the money and I will sell the call and put. So that is the strategy which currently I'm following. The first month I was not able to close it in the green. Actually, I closed in the green first month, Jan month, but due to some brokerages and tax, everything, it was red only. So the second month is the month which February just closed yesterday. So I was able to close the month in green and it is around 6%, but till date only 2 months I have done. So intraday, due to the again the time constraint, I was not able to focus on the intradays because I'm not a full-time trader. So I used to do trading in my spare time. So the problem is that time. So like last week, I think last month, I was seeing one of the video from Anandabal sir, Anandabal Anand. So that time he was mentioning that Algo will be the future trading. So then I realized like already I'm having a used time shortage, so I will be moving to Algo. So 2 weeks before I started with like searching like how people are doing Algo and other thing, then I came to know there are a lot of bots already available. So we can subscribe to them and we can use those APIs or sites where we can deploy the strategies like short straddle or short strangle based upon the fixed stop loss. So actually I don't want to use their system. So I thought what I am doing last 2 months, I should be able to implement the same strategy, because I don't sell a short straddle with fixed stop loss. I always sell a short straddle with, and I will based upon the market move, I will be adjusting the strat straddle. I will come to the point how I was doing the strategy. So when I say adjustment, what I do is in Nifty, for example, Nifty is around 17,000. What I do is I will sell a short straddle at 17,000. Once Nifty moves to 17,060, so the spot has moved 16 point, then I will convert that start straddle to short strangle from 17,000 to 17,050. Here I clearly follow the spot price or future price. Sometimes I follow the future price, sometimes I follow the spot price. It's based upon the month. In case of the first 15 days, I might be following, if there is a huge premium, I will be following the spot. If there is a minimum premium like a 10 points something, then I will be following the future. So if spot or future goes to 1760, I will be converting the short straddle 17,000 to 17,000 to 17,050 short strangle. Once the market goes
just
to
just to clarify,
yeah.
So you will start a spot straddle.
Okay.
Then if you convert to strangle, what about the other limb? Like for example, you have shorted both 17,000 PE and CE. So what will you
Correct.
do if it moves away? Yeah.
No. First, for example, I have sold 17,000, right? Such straddle. The spot was moved from 17,000 to 17,060. So what I will be doing here is I will be closing the call leg, cutting the call leg, because which will be now the premium has been increased. Even the delta was gone to 0.55, which was in 0.5. So I will close this leg and I will open the leg in 17,050 call option. Now it will be in the strangle position, which will be the PE will be in 17,000, CE will be in 17,050. You are got it?
So you
I think
basically
you are.
move as per the market.
Sorry.
So you basically change your position as and when the market changes.
Yeah, market moves. Yeah, actually, I don't follow any indicators or anything. I'm just strictly with the SL only. I will just strict with my SL. For example, my SL is 20 points per day. For example, if 20 points loss reached, then I will be closing my position.
Okay.
What is the position you are taking, sir?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Sorry.
What is your position size?
I used to take 1,200 Nifty.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I do is I just, if it markets class to 1760, I will be closing the call and moving the call to 1750. So now it will be in the short straddle, short strangle. So the next aim is, if markets keep moving up, then what I will do is, for example, when I step up, what is the point I will refer is, if market goes above 17,075, then I will convert to straddle in 17,050. Now I will be closing 17,000 PE and moving that PE to 17,050. The initial position was short straddle, then it changed to short strangle, and again it's getting converted to short straddle. This is what I used to do based upon the market move. So current condition, this might not work because the market is moving very violently. Currently what I'm doing is I'm moving the straddle based upon 100 points, but I'm saying like in Jan it was okay, but currently that adjustment cost was very high. For example, what I'm referring here as adjustment cost is, for example, I moved the 17,000 straddle to 17,000 to 17,050 such strangle. What will happen here is, in case market reverse back to 17,000, I will be losing a 3 rupees premium. So this is what the adjustment cost which I was referring, because the difference will be 3 rupees if market reverse. For example, if I'm moving 17,000 to 17,050 straddle, I mean the market went to 17,075. So I moved the 17,000 straddle from 17,000 to 17,050 strangle, and again 17,050 straddle. If market comes back to 17,000, now I will be losing 6 rupees premium.
Okay, like by squaring off, how many points would you have gained with this much movement?
I don't get your question exactly what you're referring by squaring off.
So what I said is like, so when it was 17,000, you have initiated the positions. So when it
Correct.
moved to 17,075, yeah, 17,050. So you would have
Okay.
like you would have squared off your call position, and you would have
Correct.
moved the call position upwards. So if there is
Correct.
further movement in the call side, you will again square off your put position and move it upwards. So you would have gained some points because of because you would have gained because of the movement in 17,000, right? In the put option.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Okay. So you are just kind of
No,
like
that we don't. For example, see that
mhm.
we might not. That will not be always same, right? Let's say in case of yesterday scenario, we'll take. I mean Friday scenario, okay, where I initiated a 17,000 straddle, 17,450 straddle, okay, where I was, I
Yesterday it
think
would be
within the hour.
16,450.
Yeah, sorry, 16,450. Sorry, yesterday. Yeah, it will
Okay.
be in 16,450. Okay, where I was holding the straddle due to the IV crash, the premium was crashed too much. But there might be cases where even we will go in losses, right? Because there will be a huge delta move. There won't be any decay. Even there will be a IV spike. Many reasons. So we are not sure how much the point is going to get decay, but we are sure when to exit.
Okay, I completely get it. So basically, whatever strategy you would do manually, you
Correct.
have like kind of converted it into Algo.
Or correct. Correct. Yeah.
Basically, to make your job kind of easy, you have like automated it, and your Algo will be able to track the Nifty spot position or the future
Yeah. Nifty
position.
5-star future, it keeps tracking. Yeah.
Okay, and it would be able to automatically place all the orders.
Correct. Correct. It will automatically close the legs and it will open the new leg. Yeah.
Okay, so now the next question is like about slippages. When you place orders, do you place limit orders or does it place market
Actually,
orders? How does it go?
yeah, actually, currently I'm placing in the market order only. I was thinking to change a code because till now I was not having any idea, but I think in future I might change it. Yeah.
Okay,
Actually, I need
because
to change that
yeah,